Welcome to Adventure 360. I'm your host, Meghan Kelly. And this is my co-host, Shane Battley. Every week, we take you on interactive journeys into the world of outdoor sports and fully immerse you in our adventurous lives. Whether it's paddling alongside a marathon swimmer, talking with the winners of the qualifying race for the Canadian national paddleboard team, or getting out with some awesome new gear to review. We may even take you to check out a show. No matter what we do, we want to share the experience with you in fully interactive 360-degree video. So come and join our little family, along with some of our crazy friends, and let's see what kind of adventures we can find.